Hi guys, today we're going to be working on how to post your product for sale on MartFame.ng or MartFame.com. It doesn't matter which of the URL you use on your browser, it will still take you to the same destination. And I don't want to take much time in this one, and I'm going to walk straight to it. You don't have to watch this video before you learn how to post your products. This is just for illustration purposes in case anyone gets stuck. Now, when you get on MadFame, or if you have not signed up, you need to click on sign up, or you can register with your Facebook, with your Gmail, with your LinkedIn account, or with your Twitter account to sign up on MadFame. Now, if you have not become a vendor, you're not going to see this dashboard menu. You're only going to see the others, but you're not going to see the dashboard. And once you become a vendor, which is very straightforward, to become a vendor on MadFame, you just need to click on Start Selling, and you just follow the process, two, three steps, and you'll become a vendor, and this is gonna show up on your menu. Now, there are a few ways to post your product on MadFame. You can easily go under your dashboard, go into my product, or go into my item. They're gonna take you into your dashboard. But for the purpose of this training of the session, we're gonna go into dashboard. When you get into dashboard, you have you know, you can edit your profile, you can go into your products. In this case, this particular vendor only have one product, and you can go into your sales record, you can go into your statistics, and also you can change your banner or your store banner. I think we should do that this time around. Just give me a few seconds. Okay, here we are, and we do not have any banner at the moment. So what I'm going to do is to get a banner here. Let's come here, and you can just drag it, basically. Just drag it here. I don't want to use this one. I'm gonna use this one. There you go. And once you see 100%, you click on save. Got it there, and then we hit on done. There we have the Okrika store right there. Now, to post your product, you go on the catalog, and then you go on the listing, and then you click on product. You can also auction your product. You can sell vouchers, you can sell softwares, you can sell classified items, like you want to sell a property or a car. These are products that no one will want to pay you directly online. So people would want to see what they are paying for, so you put those ones under classified. But in this case, the things that somebody can pay you online and go directly into your bank account will be products. So we click on product here, and you go on the new. You can also import your product if you want to. You can use CSV to import your product, and you just attach the file, and you can automatically upload, or once you have your CSV file, it can automatically download and upload your your product from the spreadsheet that you're using. But we're gonna go for the new, just to make it straightforward and make it quick. Now, for this part, it's just very straightforward, and you have this wizard that will also show you what all the attributes or the elements are meant for. So let's roll back here. So this is something we want to post. Let's use this one. I'm gonna use the name of the file here and just put it as name. Now, if you're stuck, you can just put your cursor on the attribute there or the element, and it will show you. You will see the tooltip that will show you what that particular attribute is meant for. And alias or alias, it's just about the same thing. You can put whatever you want there. The SKU is the stock keeping unit. You just want to give it a unique identity. So I'll still put the same thing there. We're gonna move on, and your category, select the category you want. Your pricing should be standard. That's normal, and the price for the product. In this case, let's just say like 12,500. And if you want to put a discount, you can do that. So let's say 1 or 2% discount. and the discount value you can put it. If you put a discount value, it's going to override the discount rate. So we're just going to ignore that part. If you want the discount to expire, yes, you can select the date, but in this case, we're going to skip that aspect. And for the introduction, can just pull this one for the promo message. You can put any message you want in there, but I'm going to skip it. I'm going to go for the description. For the description, I'm going to add some extra information here. Let me see if I can get that under the notepad. There you go. I'm going to put it under introduction as well, and then put the introduction in bold. Just okay. And even the design, let's put it in bold, and this. And as you can see, there are different tabs here that you will need to work on as you go along. So I'm going to go, I've just finished the one on the general tab, and I'm going to go to the photos. For the photos as well, you can just do drag and drop. So I've got all these images. You can put as many images as you want here. I think up to 20. So I'm just going to drag it. It uploads very quickly, and I'm just going to move to the next stage as well. Um, and I'm going to go back to that just to show you. I would normally use good with attachment because I like to add some images, some preview images or video to the product when I'm posting it. I want to go back to the photos just to be sure that it is fully uploaded. Okay, this is the last one that is uploading. All right, that's perfect. All done. So here you can the next thing is to let the buyers know how much quantity you've got. If you put -1, that means you have unlimited. But in this case, we only have one, so I'm just going to put one there. And you can put your shipping method. Is it do you want the buyers to be charged per weight, per zone? For example, you want to send it to Ibadan, Lagos, or Kano or Kaduna, things like that. And or do you want the shipping to be per product? Or do you want to give your buyers free shipping or pickup? In this case, let's just put it as a pickup item. Okay, so I've gotten a lot here saying that some of my pictures they are more than 4 MB. So I would need to work on that aspect. Let me see how many of them. So only 3 were uploaded here. So I will still need to go back and edit my images to make sure that they are below um, 4 meg. But we're just gonna leave it like this just to roll quickly on this. Now, for this aspect, you want to put a preview. Let's say you want to put an image there. Yes, you can put an image, or you can just put a YouTube video. Now, you can also upload a video here, but you don't want your product to be taking too long to load when buyers wants to, click on that product to go and view the information about that product. So what I would normally do is to make a a video describing the product so that buyers can actually see the video. And what I do is I post it the video on YouTube, and I just copy the link here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to look for a video that describe this product. So here we are on YouTube, and I'm going to say Cookworks. Cookworks MartFame. Let's see if it's gonna bring out a video here. So here we have a video for Cookworks MartFame. Perfect. So I'm just gonna copy this one and post it here and put it as YouTube. Let's say I don't want to do this. I just want to put a video. So for example, I got a video here. I can easily just drag the video here. As you can see, it's already uploaded, but I'm going to cancel this one right now and just leave the YouTube video because it's going to load quickly. Now, for the attributes, this aspect, this add attributes, I'm going to cover it in a separate video to show you different kind of attributes you can put for a product. For example, if you're selling a shirt and your shirt is of different size and those sizes carries different prices, so definitely you will need to make an attribute for it, whether it's a medium size, large size, extra large, and you can give different attributes to that particular product that you're selling. And also as a vendor, you have this freedom to also set your own terms and condition or use the terms and condition as set by MartFame. And also if you want to allow returns, you can select it here. If you want to show return, yes. The return period, let's say you want to put it for 20 days, yes, you can do that. And then you can say show return period basically, and that is also going to show up here. Your required times at checkout, you can use the default by MartFame, which you have to abide by. We're going to move to the next stage from here now and go into location. You put your location, and then on the publishing, you want to give the URL link, which is the extra link that would normally come after the domain name. You want to make sure it is very short and straightforward, or if you don't put anything there, it will just use the um, the name from the product itself, from the product name. So I'm going to leave it as that for now because I wanted to show the Cookworks Signature Blender 500. And the title, uh, I'm going to go back. I still want to leave the title as it is so that it is very easy. Now, this is called search engine optimization. This makes your product searchable on the internet. So, for example, when somebody go on Google and the person type in Cookworks Blender 500 watts or Cookworks Blender, you want your product to be part of the first that is going to show on Google. So here we're going to put it as description, and then for the keyword you need to separate them by comma, but I'm just kind of doing this in a very quick way because I don't want to take much time in this particular video. So you just need to separate them by comma, and that would be it. Now, as you can see here, it's telling me that some of the files that I've got, they are more than 4 MB. So what I'm going to do in this case is to try to reduce those files to make sure they are below 4 meg. So if you look at this one, it says it's 3.85 meg, and this one is showing 3.99. This is showing 3.8. This one is showing 4.6. Now, what I would normally do in this case, it's either to use some applications online to reduce the file size, but on this computer, I already have an application that I would normally use to reduce the file size. So what I do is I just right click on the product, and I would say open with Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Once I do this, I will go to edit, and I'll say resize, and I'm going to use this predefined, and I'll say document large 1024, because if you look under this original file size, it's showing me more than 4 meg, but when I select uh, the document large, it's going to reduce to, this is still in HD, but it's giving me at 1024 pixels basically. So when I click OK, as you can see, the file is reduced. I'm going to close it and then save it. All right. For some reason unknown this time around, this particular file is not allowing me to edit it. So I just want to try a different one. And I'm going to go to open with Picture Manager. And we go to resize. And yeah, we're going to make use of this predefined again. And we have resized it. It's come down to 1024 pixels. And let's see if this is going to work. So basically this is working perfectly fine now, and I'm going to do the same thing for others because I want to post all the pictures. Now, one thing we tend to do on MartFame is to make sure we are very descriptive. We're taking detailed image of that product and any kind of blemish or defect that the product may have basically. All right, so basically that is what it takes to post your product on MartFame. And here we already completed the entire process, and you can see now the product we've just posted is now here. Let me see if I can make some further changes to this particular product. And one of the things I want to do is to change what appears to customer first. So I'm thinking that this particular image is not really the best, so I'm going to change this one and make it the default image. So let's make this a default image, and when you go back to the photo, as you can see, it's changed. So this becomes the video, the first picture that is going to be seen on the product on the front line, on the front page. And I think I want to change the price as well to 13,000, and I'm going to hit on save. So basically everything has been done. That is how easy it is to post a product on MartFame for sale. So we're going to go to the front end now and try to search for the product that we have just posted. Let's go to the social beehive, and here we've got the product, or we can go to marketplace. I can try to search for the product, cook works, and we just leave every other thing as it is, and let's see what we've got. So we've got it here. Yeah, perfect. And we go to the item, and this is what it's going to look like on the front page. So you can add to cart, you can watch the video that we posted from YouTube. There it is. And you can use the magnifier to see every detailed part of the product basically as well. So it is very easy to actually post a product. This is when you want your product to be sold on MartFame and you want buyers to pay you directly. As you can see, buyers can add to cart compared to some other products. So for example, this Philip blender, this one is saying place a bid, which means it's a bidding product. It's an auction product. So if you go here, this one will tell you that the time left for the bidding and the bidding history, the number of people who have placed a bid on this product, and the current highest bid, and the auction fee, basically. So that it is for now. If you have any question, please uh, you contact our customer service, and they will always be there to help. You go straight to the bottom and you can click on contact us and you can reach out. And as a vendor, you can always also reach us through your vendor's dashboard. Go into the user profile, and you can actually create a ticket from your user profile. Do you want a public ticket, or do you want, just a new ticket? And from here, you'll be able to message us, even send us a picture or a video, whatever your concern is. Okay, thank you guys for your time there.